Wealth does not announce itself loudly, it moves silently. It hides inside restraint and disciplined financial decisions. It compounds quietly while nobody is watching. Silently, steadily, it grows. The myth says you must feel rich to progress. That belief quietly traps people in financial stagnation.
Real wealth feels ordinary, structured, almost boring.
And that is why most people completely miss it.
You may already be building wealth silently.
Even if your lifestyle does not look impressive.
If you see these signs, you are ahead.
Financial stagnation rarely begins with low income alone.
It begins when structure is missing from your system. Without it, your savings, investing, and budget drift apart. Most chase upgrades instead of strengthening financial foundations. Choose to build a solid foundation for lasting success.
Visible luxury is often consumption, not true wealth. The mask represents fleeting status, while the asset cube embodies enduring value. True financial momentum grows quietly beneath the surface. While others increase spending, you increase assets strategically.
Emotional reactions destroy capital, systems protect it. Wealth is retention, allocation, and disciplined compounding.
Early wealth stages feel almost identical to average living. No applause, just disciplined repetition behind closed doors.
No applause, just disciplined repetition behind closed doors.
You spend with intention, not emotion or impulse.
There is a growing gap between income and expenses.
That margin quietly creates options and financial leverage.
When income rises, your lifestyle does not explode.
You allocate surplus capital instead of upgrading status.
You think in decades, not next month's paycheck.
Short-term noise no longer controls your decisions.
You continue investing even during uncertainty and volatility. Liquidity replaced panic in your financial reactions. Unexpected expenses no longer create crisis mode. With a simple action, they're calmly covered.
Your emergency fund is strategic leverage, not idle cash.
Liquidity allows rational decisions instead of emotional reactions.
You built your buffer before the storm arrived. When raises come, assets grow faster than lifestyle.
Your first thought becomes deployment, not indulgence.
You stop measuring progress against other people.
Marketing and peer pressure lost their financial control. He cut the strings and took back control.
Your money now operates on structured automation systems.
Systems removed emotional spikes from your decisions.
You shifted from survival mode to structural growth. You now value time more than visible status symbols.
Your calendar has space, not constant reactive urgency.
You say no to protect focus and long-term priorities. Time freedom becomes your first invisible dividend.
You trade small money for reclaimed hours wisely.
Leverage now means smarter allocation, not harder effort. Excuses decreased while personal control increased significantly. You replaced blame with strategic ownership of outcomes.
You adjust strategy instead of complaining about conditions.
Ownership quietly accelerates long-term capital compounding. Recognizing these signs is only the beginning.
Now you must refine your financial positioning.
Small, disciplined capital grows into serious strength.
Control risk first before chasing higher returns. Survival in markets compounds faster than reckless aggression. Motivation fades, but structured systems endure. Automated contributions remove emotional interference entirely.
Quarterly reviews replace daily emotional reactions. This allows for a clear, data-driven approach.
High-leverage skills multiply income and investment growth. Future wealth favors adaptable and technologically literate operators. AI and automation are reshaping financial productivity globally.
Those who adapt early gain exponential strategic advantage.
Increased earning capacity accelerates capital compounding significantly.
Surplus capital deployed wisely multiplies long-term resilience.
Markets evolve, but structural principles remain constant.
Margin creates flexibility in unpredictable economic cycles. Liquidity protects clarity during sudden financial pressure.
Discipline outlasts motivation across economic cycles. Patience turns volatility into long-term opportunity. Ownership anchors you ahead of cyclical market noise.
Wealth rarely explodes, it compounds through disciplined cycles.
Flash attracts attention. Structure attracts sustainable capital.
Spending feels easy, retention builds real power.
Emotion reacts instantly. Systems respond deliberately.
Income impresses people, assets quietly protect futures.
Motivation fades fast, discipline compounds relentlessly.
Noise distracts attention, focused strategy multiplies returns.
Most people look wealthy, few are structurally becoming wealthy. Money respects restraint and strategic patience. Markets reward preparation long before public validation appears.
If these signs feel familiar, you are progressing.
You are not behind, you are building momentum.
Quiet progress often precedes visible success.
Foundations stay invisible until they support something massive. Real wealth seeks alignment, not external applause.
This is calculated positioning, not reckless gambling.
You are strengthening structure while others chase appearance.
Your discipline today defines tomorrow's financial freedom. Keep building quietly, compounding rewards consistency.
Welcome to Finance Hustle.